fix problem of Windows 10 stuck on airplane mode when there is no drive problem. Subscribe to Damsho TV. To fix this problem of Windows 10 stuck on airplane mode is not because of drive, it's because of any switch or hard switch on your computer or any button on your computer which can turning on or turning off an airplane mode. First of all, you have to search on your computer. On this Dell machine, you have to see side of your computer to turning on, then to switch on. You have to switch on. Now it is open. You can switch off by using this button, and you can switch off by using this switch on, switch off. This program is not driver, is you can check if it is this button is closed or not. Now it is open. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Damsho TV.